Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make text appear nicer in Windows 10. So if your font looks a little funky, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to make it a little bit cleaner. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in Control Panel. Best match should go back for Control Panel. So go ahead and just left click on that. Over in the View By area, you want to click inside the drop down, make sure it's set to Category View, and then select System and Security. Select the System category. On the left side now, left click on Advanced System Settings. Underneath Performance, Visual Effects, Processor Scheduling, Memory Usage, and Virtual Memory, left click on the Settings button, and then select Adjust for Best Appearance, and then select Apply. And OK. Once you're done with that, select OK again, close out of here, restart your computer, and that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.